How to contact 2GIS support. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can contact the 2GIS support. And how do you go about it? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your 2GIS account. Then, once you're logged in, move to the bottom right corner, click on the three horizontal lines. Then the box displayed, you'll see options like under login for business, you'll see options like advertising in 2GIS, data and technologies for 2GIS, add company, contact us. So click on the contact us option. And then you have different options. You have the option for you to report a problem, to suggest improvement, data error, or other. So select the category you fall under. If you cannot find the category, click on other, then click on the box here and then type out your consent. Then add screenshots if you would want to, so that you can solidify your request, and then click on send. So by clicking on send, your request will be sent and a response will be sent to you via your email. And this is the major way to contact GIS support. Another way to do this is by writing to the 2GIS tech support at help@2gis.com. All right, help@2gis.com. So describe your issue in detail, including the model of your phone, operating system, and any screenshots of the error. So that's where you'll be able to contact the 2GIS support. So that is it. Thank you very much and have a good day.